fun, and if you have a surround system, crank it up.
Crank it up indeed. And we've also very much enjoyed the plane spotting with you. Hopefully, Philip, I wish we had Discover's A330 today. I'm in and out of MSP on a daily basis. But the turbojet aircraft, so the low bypass. And if you know anything about spotting Air France here at MSP, they love to take their sweet time. Just in time. All right, one of our LA Flights fam, Cat Nerd, is joining the party. Hey, Cat Nerd. That airport still sees DC-8s, by the way.
Yeah.
There. Alex.
Yeah, it can rain pretty hard to the point where it's like equal to like a whiteout. And your wiper blades can't keep up.
Oh, yeah.
You're not even close. Might as well just pull off, sit in the parking lot somewhere, just let it blow over, and then go about your business.
All right, everybody, here comes Triple Trouble. Bigfoot's on the loose. Back to Paris, everybody. Let's see those 777 emojis come out.
Stop, you've lost it. Yes, you cannot go over there and retrieve it. So leave it alone.
Put a better one running. Put a better one running.
That is a secure area. You cannot go beyond that barrier zone.
It says over there, it says
Unless you need 6 foot clearance. And that 6 foot is that fence. You cannot go over that fence. Plain and simple.
So it looks like one of our wireless mics decided that it would cut out at the most convenient time. That was.
You can go to jail.
Sorry about that.
Been one of those days, hasn't it? Yeah.
Well, I mean, today's stream nearly did not happen. I mean, it was just a disaster.